Assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome to Fook Pierce Cipher. In this video, we will learn the Bullish Gartley Pattern. This is a Bullish Gartley Harmonic Pattern. All harmonic patterns consist of X, A, B, C, and D legs. First, we need an anchor leg, also known as the X to A leg. To find point B, we take the Fibonacci retracement from X to A. The B retracement will cross 0.5, but it must not exceed 78.6%. To find point C, we take the Fibonacci retracement from A to B. The retracement must cross 0.382, but it must not exceed 0.886. To find point D, we take the Fibonacci retracement from X to A. Point D will fall sharp at the 78.6 level. For take profit and stop loss, take profit is calculated using the Fibonacci retracement from A to D. Target 1 is 0.382, target 2 is 0.618. Stop loss is calculated using the Fibonacci retracement from X to A. The stop loss will be below X at the 1.13 level. That is the Bullish Gartley Harmonic Pattern.